अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बना रहे हैं ट्रफल पुडिंग। दिस इज़ मेड यूजिंग टी केक, फ्रेश क्रीम एंड जेली। वेरी टेस्टी। इसीलिए पिक्चर लेने से पहले ही खाना स्टार्ट कर लिया। डू ट्राई इट आउट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज़ 1.5 liters of milk. I will be removing 250 ml of milk to mix the custard powder with. This is 4 tablespoons of custard powder. I have used Bluebird brand, pineapple flavor. You can use any flavor. This is fresh cream. I will be using 750 ml of fresh cream. That's around 3 cartons of the size. I've taken 1 liter of hot water in a saucepan. Add 2 boxes of jelly crystals and premix. I have used raspberry flavor. You can use strawberry or any other flavor of your choice. Add the jelly mix and the premix to the hot water. Mix well and keep it aside. Now add 4 tablespoons of the custard powder to the 250 ml of milk which we had removed earlier. Mix well and keep it aside. Now to the hot milk, add the custard mix. Stir continuously. Keep stirring and add 11 to 12 tablespoons of sugar. Keep stirring till the mixture becomes thick. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. This is 750 ml of fresh cream. I'm whisking it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. I've taken 1 kg of tea cake or sponge cake. Now arrange the slices into the containers. This is only the first layer. Now let's cover the cake with a layer of custard. Now add a layer of fresh cream. Now top it with a layer of jelly. Arrange the slices of cake to form a second layer. This is the remaining half kg. So total I have used 1 kg of tea cake. Follow the same steps as before. First a layer of custard, then fresh cream. And top it with a layer of jelly. That's it. Now all the boxes and the containers are ready. Do try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.